बहुत की छेड़खानी हमने कुदरत से, नादान है हम, मूर्ख है हम। काटते रहे हम उन पेड़ों को, जलाते रहे हम उन जंगलों को, जो संभालते रहे हमारी सांसों को। What a paradox it is, my friends. Whatever in life we get very easily and very simply, we don't value that. But when we need it to save our own lives, we are ready to spend our entire fortune. What a paradox. We are going to talk about this. And today it is day 4, positive sharing on Kuch Meetha Ho Jaye from Sanjay Jogani. The stories of the day. Mr. Manoj Gupta, a businessman and an industrialist in Hamirpur district, Lucknow, and he's the owner of Rimzim Ispat bottling plant. In these times when the prices of the cylinder is skyrocketing to in unofficial market around 25-30,000 rupees, what this particular gentleman has been doing, he has been refilling oxygen cylinders for all corona positive requirement at rupee 1 only, and he has a capacity to refill 1000 cylinders a day. He understands his responsibility, he understands his resources, and he has been doing this since last 2 weeks. A wonderful gesture of humanitarian work. Salute and thank you, Mr. Manoj Gupta. Second story of the day, equally inspiring. We are talking about Mr. Ravi Agarwal, an auto rickshaw driver in Ranchi. What he has been doing, my friends, he has been carrying COVID positive patient from home to hospital, hospital to home, absolutely free. What a wonderful gesture. A very, very common man where he must not be meeting his ends as far as his livelihood is concerned. He has been doing this work for COVID positive patients where maybe at this time many other private vehicles would not support this kind of movement. He has been doing this, maintaining his protections and his protocol. Wonderful gesture of noble work. Thank you very much and salute Mr. Ravi Agarwal. These are all two inspiring stories which needs to be spread, which needs to be told. Other good news of the day, Mumbai is looking better day by day. India is the first country who has vaccinated 14 crore people in just 99 days. The numbers sounds good, but the percentage doesn't. This is just the 10% of our population to achieve the benchmark which is set by other countries like US, UK and Israel. We need to double up, fasten our speed to do that, and we must do that, and we would be doing that. And the third good news is Zydus Cadila, a pharmaceutical company, has come out with their Virafin drug, which has got emergency use approval through Drug Control of India, and the company claims that this drug can make a COVID positive to COVID negative in just 7 days. 90% of the patients, mild and moderate, can benefit from them. These are all wonderful things which is going on around us, friends. Let's do our bit and let's stay positive, let's stay safe, let's stay home. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.